I was sent the Aphrodite Pheromone Perfume for women, and it smells amazing. It comes in this really nice Rollerball bottle, and it's perfect for on-the-go application. It's sleek. You could just put this in your pocket, or you could just drop it in your purse. So I love the convenience of this size of a roller. Now, the scent profile. Once you put it on, it really fills up the room. You're going to notice this sweet and fresh floral aroma. You have this woodsy undertone in it, and the fragrance has a lot of jasmine, so it gives it this really lively, feminine, sweet and floral start, which I love. And then there's this hint of saffron for a little bit of spiciness. There's some amber, fir, and cedar wood. So it all comes together, and beyond just smelling great, it has this impressive staying power. I went swimming in the pool, and this still stayed on, and I could smell it. And while the perfume claims to be infused with pheromones to attract men, it is important to note that the effectiveness of pheromones in humans is still debated, and there really aren't scientific studies that necessarily prove it. So it has a very pleasant scent, and that can boost your confidence, which could indirectly enhance your appeal. I'm happily married, so I wasn't using this to attract men, but I will say my husband really liked the smell of this on me. So if you want to try a pheromone infused perfume, I think you're going to love this one.